I don't like memes, I'm serious man.
The in and out.
Try to restart. Restart.
I'm Vladimir, IT guy, and maybe I'm the reason when sometimes problems get fixed when you're just about to ask for help.
Anton, DevOps.
You can call me Sasha. My job is complex. Sometimes I think we all go through the desert on the fast car, on the drugs, and my part is to make sure that engine doesn't explode.
Hi, I'm Sergey, and I'm working as a system administrator in the SRE team.
I'm Dima. I'm working as an infrastructure maintenance engineer. Network, services, servers, and Kubernetes, they are all my good friends.
Hi, my name is Sergey, and I'm head of IT department.
What exactly do you do around here?
I one day do something with directors, another day do something with migrating data from Jira to Track, and in general, let's be honest, I'm responsible for the handsomeness.
So it started from buying equipment and licenses to managing a digital employee journey. Also, I'm managing Google services, and sometimes I implement tools that make the life of our employees a little bit better and easier.
So everybody thinks I do nothing, but I think I do everything but CI.
The main goal is to keep everything running smoothly with minimal intervention. I try to automate as many operations as possible.
I work with internal infrastructure that support our projects, keep essential service running 24/7. Some of these systems are so old and mysterious that I might be only one who knows how it works. Well, no, it might be a strong word. Nobody knows how it works.
As an IT manager, I need to know what is happening in the company. Make decisions to help most people, but some of them don't like it.
Who's more important, a sysadmin or DevOps?
For me, it's just the labels. I see them on the spectrum, autistic one spectrum. So it's just the tools.
Both are important, but the most important thing is the result of well-coordinated teamwork.
DevOps is a set of practices. SRE is discipline. Only sysadmin is a job title. So the choice is yours.
The choice is you.
Who's better? It's like asking if a hammer is better than a screwdriver. Everyone has their own task.
If you disappeared tomorrow, what part of the system would instantly collapse?
No one is irreplaceable.
We aim to design the system in a way that avoids any areas being tied to a specific person. And nothing is likely to collapse instantly. We focus on building reliable services.
I would like not to, but a good kicker player will be lost. And honestly, I have a good team that I think can handle all complex IT settings without me, I guess, I hope.
According to the documentation, nothing will happen, but I wouldn't want to test it.
Nothing. We will try to automate our work as much as possible.
Got any go-to wisdom for work?
Don't create a complex system. Create a couple of simple tools.
When you start something new, you don't know much, but with the time, you learn more. I don't remember 0 moments to say about, but I think not pushing harder always works. Just let the right idea come to your head and that's it.
Never skip making a backup, even when it feels unnecessary.
What's one mistake you still remember?
Double-check your console and parameters. I accidentally removed all images from a popular internal resource, my beloved resource, if you know what I mean. The backup was outdated, so I ran around the office and restored images from a user's browser cache. Lesson learned. Now I always use move command instead of remove, just to be safe.
Right before the new year, I was updating the database servers, and the last one ran into an issue. The whole team had to work hard to resolve it.
I mixed up the in and out option in the dd command.
Wrong woman. Wrong woman. Wrong woman.
What's your worst nightmare?
Night call from monitoring.
Losing or deleting critically important data.
When everything is working, but it really shouldn't be.
When the network stops working in the middle of the day.
What tech project do you admire?
I think the best project in the field is BoltDB. It's totally covered by unit tests, and they don't accept issues and merge requests instead of security ones.
From the recent ones, it's Passbolt team. They have a really good product. We use this as our credential storage. I like the way they name their releases. So every release has its own song, and naming includes phrase from the song, and it's cool, and I love when tech meets art.
What's a classic move that always works?
Try to restart.
The best trick is to turn off and on again. However, don't use this trick with production servers.
If budget weren't an issue, what would your dream project look like?
The ideal command is do it well.
The most interesting thing that the ideal project does not exist, neither paid nor open source at all.
What's one thing you wish companies did differently with their infrastructure?
Everything we want, we are doing now.
Infrastructure as a service everywhere. You will do nothing on servers at all by hand.
What's one piece of advice you give to someone asking DevOps or a sysadmin for help?
Be prepared. Come to me with facts. Do your homework. A little bit of fear is healthy.
Please, read the documentation first.
Do you read documentation? Do you read documentation completely and understand it?
Please tell what you wanted to do and what you saw. The good screenshot helps fix the error much faster.
Don't grab a coffee right after asking for help. Let's grab that coffee together after I've fixed everything.
Please, reboot first.
Did you read documentation?
What's your favorite work-related meme?
My favorite meme is successful deployment on Friday at 5 p.m.
Did you read documentation? Did you read documentation completely and understand it?